start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Neelufar Mughis with the topic Common and Proper Nouns. There are different types of nouns, but today we will only discuss common and proper noun. So, let's start with the definition. Common noun is common or general word which is used for a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. Means we can use these nouns commonly for all the nouns. Remember, it always starts with small letter. Means all common nouns start with small letter. For example, boy, park, girl, school, book, mall, month, market, hospital, river. Okay, now you can see that boy is a common noun for all the boys. Means agar मैं if there are 20 boys in 3C, so if I say boys stand up, what does it mean? All the boys will stand up. But if I say Abdullah stand up, it means only Abdullah will stand up. So boy is a common name for all the boys. In the same way, if I say I am going to a park, indeed you will ask me, which park? Because I did not tell you the name of the park where I am going. It means park is a common name for all the parks. School. If you say, I'm getting late from the school, indeed you did not take the name of the school. But if you say, I'm getting late from Chiniyot Islamia Public School, means मुझे चिन्यूट इस्लामिया पब्लिक स्कूल पहुंचने में लेट हो रहा है या मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ. Means school is a common noun, a common name for all the schools. Month, a common name for all month. Market, a common name for all markets. Hospital, a common name for all the hospitals. River, a common name for all the rivers. Okay, proper noun. Proper noun is a special or specific name which is used for a person, place, animal, or a thing. These are actually special names given to any person, place, or animal. For example, okay, but remember one thing. All proper nouns always start with capital letters. For example, Ali, Sarah, Abdullah, Hassan, Pakistan, Dubai, Islamabad. If you observe these nouns, you will see that all the words are written with capital letters. Why? What is the reason? As I have explained you the previous slide, that common noun is a common name for all the boys. But here is the name Ali. Ali is a special name for any boy. If I say, come here Ali, only Ali will come to me. So Ali is a special name for all the boys. If I say Sarah is my best friend, it means not all the girls, only Sarah is my friend. Pakistan. I live in Pakistan. It means Pakistan is the only country where I live. But if I say I live in a country, it means I did not take the name of any country. Maybe I live in America, maybe I live in India, maybe I live in Canada. So, we should take a special name to conduct a very clear meaning to the listener. Why do we need proper noun? We need proper noun ताकि हम किसी को भी अपनी बात easily explain कर सकें और express कर सकें कि हम क्या कहना चाहते हैं. Right? Okay. Now we differentiate between common noun and proper noun. First, we should know what is the meaning of differentiate. Differentiate means हम कोई सी भी दो चीज़ों के दरमियान जो उनके differences होते हैं, जिन चीज़ों में वो एक दूसरे से different होते हैं, हम उन चीज़ों को उनके सामने रखते हैं. So, today we are going to differentiate between common noun and proper noun. हम common noun और proper noun के दरमियान जो differences हैं वो explain करने जा रहे हैं. Please observe common nouns carefully. Common nouns are man and woman. Okay, man is a common word for all the man. Woman is a common word for all the women. But if we talk about proper noun, see this. Mr. Ahsan is the proper noun for man, and Mrs. Sadia is a proper noun for woman. Once again, differentiate between common and proper noun. See common nouns. Boy and girl. Again, boy is written with small letter and girl is written with small letter. What is the reason? The reason is that we always write common noun with small letter. Proper noun. Now we will write proper nouns for boy and girl. Okay, so Raza is a proper noun for a boy and girl is a proper noun for Seema. Okay, do you know who is he? Yes, he is Ahmed. Indeed, you have seen him in any TV show, right? So, if I say he is a boy, it means boy is a common word for Abdullah, for Ahmed. But if I say his name is Ahmed, it means now I have taken particularly the name of this boy. What does it mean? It means कि अगर मैं अब्दुल्ला के लिए कोई common noun use करूँगी तो that common noun will be a boy. But if I want to take a proper noun, then I will call him as Ahmed. Right? This is the same thing जैसे कि मैं आपको आपके नाम से call करती हूँ. I know and you know that there are 30 boys in our class. हमारी class में 30 boys हैं. But हर boy का, आप जितने भी boys हैं, आप सब के लिए जो एक common noun use होता है वो है boys, boy. But आप सब के लिए जो proper noun होगा वो आप सबका अपना name होगा. Okay? For example, Ashad. Ashad is a proper noun. But Ashad के लिए common noun क्या होगा? Boy. Ayan. Ayan के लिए common noun क्या होगा? Boy. और अयान के लिए proper noun क्या होगा? अयान. So, come to the next, girl. Okay, I think you know this girl. She is Arisha, again a child star actress. So, the common name for her is girl, and the proper name or a proper noun for this girl is Arisha Raza. So, I think now you know what is common noun and proper noun. Book. If I say, boys, please take out your books, then you will ask, teacher, which book? Just because there are a lot of books in your bag. So that I have to take the name, particular name for that book. If I say, take out your Surajmukhi, then what will you do? You will just take out Surajmukhi. आप सिर्फ अपने बैग से उस बुक को निकालेंगे जिसका मैंने नेम कॉल किया है. If I say, take out your English grammar skills, what will you do? You will just take out your grammar skill. Just because I have taken especially the name of the book. So, book is a common noun and the name of the book is a proper noun. Got it? Book is a common word, book. And what will be the proper noun for book? New grammar skills, सूरजमुखी और उर्दू का गुलदस्ता. Got it? Places. Now common nouns, common places. Mountain and river. Now what will be the proper nouns or special names for the mountains and rivers? Mountains. Himalaya mountain is a special name. Karakoram mountain is a special name. So, mountain is a common noun and Himalaya mountain and Karakoram mountain is a special name or a proper noun. River Indus. River Indus once again is a proper noun for any river. River Chenab. Amazon River. So, these are all proper nouns for river. So, common noun is a river and the name of that river is proper noun. Once again, common noun. Mall, building, road. Now, what will be the proper noun for all these common nouns? The proper nouns are Millennium Mall, Pari Mall, Saima Mall. So these are the proper nouns for a common word that is mall. There are a lot of malls in Karachi, Hyderabad, Lahore, and all over the world. But if I take especially the name of any mall, it means that is proper noun. Then is building. Civic Center. Civic Center is the name of a building. So, the proper noun for a building is Civic Center. Then, roads. Abul Hassan Isfahani Road. Indeed, you know about it. University Road. So, these are the proper nouns for the road. Once again, observe common nouns. School, park, market. So, proper nouns for school, park and markets are: for school, the city school, because this is the name of the school. So, the city school is a proper noun and the word school is a common noun. Aladdin Park. Aladdin Park is a special name or a proper noun for any park. So, park is a common noun and Aladdin Park is a proper noun. If you observe that all proper nouns are written with capital letters and all common nouns are written with small letters. Market, Headri Market. Headri Market is a proper noun for market. School, school is a common word, common name. Then the school, Chiniyot Islamia Public School. So the name of the school, that is Chiniyot Islamia Public School, is a proper noun for a school. Once again, common noun. City, country. Okay, for city, proper noun will be Karachi, Quetta, Larkana. These are proper nouns for any city. So the special names are Karachi, Quetta and Larkana for the common noun city. Then for country, country is a common name. And what will be the special or proper noun? That is India, Afghanistan, Iran, America. So these are proper nouns for country and that is common noun. Once again, there is a list of common nouns and that is book, mobile phone, car, motorcycle. And proper nouns are for book, grammar skill and countdown. Mobile phone, Samsung, Oppo. For car, Mehran, Mira. For motorcycle, Yamaha. So, these are the proper nouns for the common nouns. Okay, now look at the picture. Car. Car is a common noun. Wow. Mira. Mira is a proper noun. So, car is a common noun and Mira is the proper noun. Oh, Mehran. Mehran is a proper noun for a car. So, Mira and Mehran is proper noun for car. Car is a common noun. Once again, there is a list of common nouns. Month, day, festival, flower. And the proper nouns are for month, Ramazan and August. For days, Monday, Thursday. For festival, Eid al-Adha, Christmas. As Eid al-Adha is a Muslim festival and Christmas is a festival for Christians. Then is flower. China rose, marigold. So China rose and marigold are the proper nouns for a common name flower. So flower is a common name, common noun for China rose and marigold. Okay, so this is all about common and proper noun. Inshallah, next week we will meet again with singular plural. Allah Hafiz.